Motorcycle Foundation MSF course. It's a lot different on the street than it is in like a little basketball court. It's kind of like what I did it in. I think it was like a school playground, very small. We didn't do anything on downshifting, which I kind of wish they did on the MS, because the blipping and rev engine matching is something that I kind of wish they had gone over, because I mean I've done lots of Googling and I'm trying to just match what I see on Google, but you know, in person would have been a lot better. I have questions, whatnot. But anyways, right now we're just we're out breaking in the bike. We're on the first 600-mile break-in. The first 250 miles, I needed to keep the RPMs under 4,000, and 250 to, I believe it's like 400. You need to keep the RPMs under 6,000. At least that's what's recommended by Kawasaki. So that's what I'm doing. At least I'm trying to. I'm usually around about 3,000 to 4,000 RPMs when I'm out here in fourth, fifth gear cruising. Right now we got no destination, so we're just gonna go out, cruise, throw some miles, and get some practice on the bike. So I'm gonna shut up for a little bit and ride. I really should be doing some lane filtering or here, because it's a little bit more safe. I try to get to the left of my lane, in my lane position, just in case if I see a car coming up, I can kind of move to the left and have a little bit of room of escape. But the lane filtering would be much better. I'm just new, and I'm still getting used to the gears and switching everything, and I think I need a little bit of practice before I start making that gap, or making that transition. What is going on? Hitting every red light. I didn't even notice that police motorcycle over there. These lanes are huge, though. I mean, I could easily get through here. I mean, it is legal here in California. I mean, I might piss some people off, but whatever, it's legal. Another one. Oh, didn't see this guy. I think I'm switching into that third gear a little too early. Got a little desert setup over here outside the Wingstop. It's kind of cool. Can finally sit outside now, as of like last week. Outdoor dining was always, well, I guess the outdoor dining has been okay, just at a limited capacity, but now they upped it more and you can sit inside now. It's kind of cool. Long red lights. As you can see, Lane filtering, I mean, wide open. Maybe I'll do some of that on the way back, coming back up or something. We'll see. They're wide open. What is this lady? So right now we're downtown Burbank. Looks like all the shops are open. A lot more people starting to be out during the week. Kind of cool. I was out here just the other weekend and it was packed. We went to a movie. I mean, there was hundreds of people walking around. Mostly kids. I think kids from the high school come out here. It's kind of like a big social thing. Oh, it smells so good though. Who are you waiting for? I don't even see a brake lights on. Damn, there's no one in any of these cars. Alright. There's the Burbank Mall right here in front of me, across the street. Burbank Town Center. So Five Guys right there. Place is bomb. Fries are so greasy but so good. The turn signal on this bike is so far away compared to my Honda. I have to kind of like really reach for it. Makes it a little harder to turn on and off. Damn, they're out deep today. Here we go again, check it out. I got a nod from the police motorcyclists. Usually they just ignore me. Ooh, Minnesota.